Hello and welcome to Little Learners. In this video we are going to learn about the new digraph E. But before to learn the digraph, we will watch the video. So, first of all, I will tell you what is the action of E and what is the action of O. Put your hands on your head and flank them up and down like ears of donkey and say E, O, E, O, E, O. So, what is this? This is E. So, what is it? This is E. So, okay, the first, if I will say A, and this one is A, but when we will put them together, the sound will be E. The sound will be E. So now we have let's look at some words. The first word is need. N-E-T. Need. N-E-T. Need. N-E-T. Need. And how many sounds in the need word? How many sounds in the need word? 3 sounds. N-E-T. Need. N-E-T. Need. And now I'm gonna paste this need word on the chart paper. The next word is waiting for us. The next word is fee. The next word is fee. E. E. E, fee, E, fee, E, fee. And how many sounds in the fee word? 2 sounds. E, fee, E, fee. And again, I'm going to paste this fee word on the chart paper. Okay, let's look at the next word. Okay, the word is tree, tree. E, tree, E, tree, E, tree. And how many sounds in a tree word? 3 sounds. E, tree, E, tree, E, tree. And the last word is waiting for us, and the word is B. The word is B. The word is B. B. E. B. B. E. B. And how many sounds in a B word? 2 sounds. B. E. B. B. E. B. B. E. B. So again, I'm gonna tell you about what is this. This is E. This is E. E, E. Okay, let's read them one more time. E, T, need. T, R, E, tree. T, R, E, tree. F, E, fee. F, E, fee. Okay, I will. F, E, fee. B, E, B. B, E, B, B, E, B. So, this is all about the E.